Hi. So this is going to be a series on statistics that is required for especially for machine learning. We will be covering topics, for instance, measures of central dependency, the importance of IQR, box plots, various types of hypothesis testing, and then moving averages, auto regression, correlation, ARMA, ARIMA, SARIMA. So all those will be covered here. So let's begin. This is the first video. And so we will start by discussing what statistics is. So statistics, we can say it is a branch of mathematics, and it can be applied to data with variability. So yeah, it is a branch of mathematics which can be applied to data with variability. So what is variability? We will look into that part first. Okay. And all these videos are going to be with respect to keeping machine learning in mind. So suppose you work for a company called as A, and there are 1000 employees in the company. Now every employee in the company has experience ranging from 0 years to, let's say, 15 years, and they have some salary. Assume it's a European company, so the salary is in euros. So maybe this has 10,000 euros. Yeah, and the person also has the same, irrespective of experience, everybody in the company has the same salary. So here, as we can see, the target variable, whatever we are, interested in, has no variability at all. That means statistics cannot be applied in a scenario where data is not changing, where it is static, there is no variability in the data. So this is a scenario where we will not apply statistics. Now assume if in the same company, based on the experience, the salary varies. For instance, for a fresher it could be, uh, again the same 10,000, and with experience or on the basis of skill set there could be multiple factors that could be influencing it. So multiple variables affecting the salary outcome. Here again, with respect to experience, maybe it is changing, and this is like 50k. So the scenario where the variable is changing or wherever there is variability in the data, statistics can be applied. So this is with respect to machine learning, and in general also, like statistics can be applied only when there is variability in the data, otherwise it cannot be applied. Why is statistics used? It is used for trends or pattern detection in the data, to make inferences with respect to the samples. We will talk about sample and population in a while. Then it is used for hypothesis testing. A very important is hypothesis testing. Uh, for instance, if we draw some conclusions on the basis of the sample size, then we also have to ensure the accuracy of it. Then there are certain tests that can be conducted on the estimates that we have provided, whether the estimates or with what confidence interval they are applicable to the population of the data. So all those things we will cover. So first, like, what is statistics, what is variability, where statistics can be applied. Now we will move where statistics can be applied in respect of machine learning. It can be used for feature selection. It can be used for evaluating the performance of the models, also for accessing the relationship between the data. So relationship between variables slash data. So these are like some of the important areas, and also hypothesis testing with respect to machine learning, where statistics can be applied.